Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you APKPure. So APKPure is another Play Store, another market that I've been on a kind of streak on, showing you different markets, and this is another one that you can download. So basically, you go in here and you can install apps that may or may not be in the App Store. So training purposes only, training purposes only. You already know what it is. Proceed with caution. You already know any app that you install on here. Okay, make sure you check with Virus Total just to make sure. Every time you go on an app here, it shows you the score, how many downloads it is, the pictures, the images. That's pretty cool, and different trailers. Other games that are related on here, which is pretty cool. You might see some emulators, things like that. A lot of these, if it's paid for, it's going to send you the link, which is pretty cool. And they have other games, excuse me, and other things on here that's pretty awesome. Highly, do I recommend it? It's definitely up to you. Just like any other unofficial Play Store. Definitely check it out. Like it says PS3 emulator over here. So this may be real, may not be real. Definitely check it out, or make sure you look it up first and see what's going on. This actually might be real. So just I'm telling you, check out this gem, and let me know. APK Pure, definitely fire. I used it a couple of times, but you be the judge. Definitely check it out, do your research, and I'm on here so you guys don't. Everything works the same. You install it, you download it, and it works. If you have any other questions, let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in